Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xfinity app not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and working properly by testing the other apps or devices. Then, restart your router and modem to refresh the connection. Then, turn Wi-Fi off on your phone. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back on. Then reconnect to your network. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few while and reopen it to retry the connection. Restart your device to fix temporary network issues, and then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Xfinity, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, forget the Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnect by entering the password again. That's how you fix the Xfinity app not connecting to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe and